Hello children, good morning. Before starting the class, let me discuss what happened in the last days. Okay. Then first unit test over children, right? Then in that first unit test, how many lessons I have kept for your test children? Three lessons. Okay. What are those? First one is Bonds of Love, the Kabuliwala, Christmas gift. Okay. These three lessons I made you to write in a test. Okay. Then also I have completed all the exercise in a textbook. Then PDF I have sent you children. I think everybody have written. Those who have completed three lessons come to school and take a sign for those. Okay. It's a small note about the test children. Okay. Test ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೊಂಚೂರು discussion. Okay. I think everybody have learned the three lessons. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. Okay. Today we will start with the fourth lesson, that is a half a gift. Fourth lesson I have already completed children, but I have stopped. Where I have stopped? I didn't made you to read in a class that lesson. Okay. ಆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಓದೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Okay. But I have explained about that lesson children. Okay, if you want a clarification you have to see or watch last videos. Okay, shall I start to read children? Okay, next, while you are watching the videos, please sit with the textbook children. Okay, take out your textbook everyone. In that page number 21, page number 21 na open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, half a gift. Shall I start to read children? While I am reading the lesson, please keep a finger on that line. Which line I am going to read now? ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು ಬೆರೆ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ದ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಿಂಗರನ್ನು ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಓಕೆ, shall I start to read children? Let me read. Complete lesson I am going to read now. Among some Christians, there is a very good custom. They observe the second Sunday in May as a Mother's Day. On this day, mothers receive cards and gifts from their children. A nice custom, isn't it? Half a gift is a story of two young brothers, Joe and Nick. Both of them plan to buy some Mother's Day gift for their mother. Okay, see here children, wait, which lesson I am going to read now? Half a gift. Okay, see here. Half a gift is a story of two young brothers, Joe and Nick. Both of them plan to buy some Mother's Day gift for their mother. What were their gifts? Did the gifts please the mother? Read and think. What is there in this story children? They decided to give some gift to his mother. Okay. The story is narrated by the younger brother Joe. Narrated is nothing but said by. Okay. I was 10 years old then and my brother Nick was 14. We thought of buying Mother's Day gift for our mother. This thought filled us with a great excitement. It was to be our first gift to her. We were very poor. Our father worked as a clerk in a small factory. It was with a great difficulty that he could meet the needs of the family. But he was a kind and loving father. He never forgot to bring us birthday and Christmas gifts. However, such a thing as a Mother's Day gift never came to our mind because we never got any pocket money. Okay. But once we had been fortunate, Nick and myself. A small furniture shop had opened near the street where we lived. Deliveries were made to the customer's home by means of an old push cart. Okay. We walked some evenings on this push cart to get the money for our Mother's Day gift. The owner gave us 10 cents each for one round. Sometimes we got a tip also. Okay. Next. Turn that page, children. Look at first para. They are talking with their father, that Joe and Nick. Joe and Nick are both the brothers, right? Next. Every time Nick counted his coins, his thin face would brighten up. The joyful thought of the present would bring sweet smiles on his face. He had got this idea of Mother's Day gift from someone at his school. Okay. What is a pleasant surprise it would be for mother. The joy of giving the present grew in us every evening, and we were almost wild with the excitement. When we secretly told our father about our plan, he was very pleased. He stroked our hands proudly. It's a fine idea. Okay, what it is? It's a very fantastic idea. He said, it will make your mother very happy. From his tone, we knew what he was thinking. He had never given any to mother. Okay. She worked all the day cooking and scrubbing and washing, and she did all this silently. She never complained. She did not laugh much, but was never angry. Her smile was a wonderful thing, and when she smiled at us, what a joy we felt. See here, children. What his father said, ನಿಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ daily ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, everything she will do. She never ever get a bored of her work. She want to be with a joyful, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಗು ಮುಖದಿಂದ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಎಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ನಗು ಮುಖದಿಂದ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿದ್ರು ಫಾದರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ. ಯಾರು ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು? ಜೋ ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಹರ್? ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಫಾದರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಮನಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್? ಇನಫ್ ಸೆಡ್ ನಿಕ್. ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ದಮ್. ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಮನಿ ಕೂಡ್ಸಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾದರ್ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ಡ್. ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ನಕ್ಕರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಮೀ, ನಿಕ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಜೋ, you tell mother, she will enjoy thinking about it. I nodded. Father said, that is a big thought to come from so small a head, and a wise one. Nick flushed to hear these words of praise and encouragement. Then he put his hand on my shoulder and said, Joe, too thought of it. No, I said I didn't. I didn't want any credit for what was not mine. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ನನ್ನದಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಬೇಡ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೀ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಜೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಡಿಡಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೈನ್. ದ ಥಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ಸೇಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್. Nick too got the thought from somewhere. There is no greatness in mere thought. Greatness lies in putting ದ ಥಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ನಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಒಳಗಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಂತಲಾಗೈತದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಟು ದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಾಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, IAS ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, KAS ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ? ನೆವರ್ ಎವರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ ಕೂತ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಂದನೂ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವೆನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ವೆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಾಗ ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, for the next few days we enjoyed the game for secrecy with the mother. A shining look came into her face when she saw us near her. She often smiled at us, and then our heart would dance with the joy. The air was full of love. Okay, Nick and I discussed what to buy. We couldn't agree on anything. Let us not tell each other what we are getting, Nick said at last. But we might buy the same thing, I argued. No, we won't, said Nick. I have more money than you. Okay, they both are fighting each other. I don't want to discuss with you what I am bringing my mother. They are keeping both as a secret. Okay. I did not much like this remark, though it was a fact. I had spent some of my earnings on sweets, while Nick had decided to spend everything on the gift. After a great deal of the thought, I bought for mother a lovely little comb. It was decorated with a little shiny stones that looked like a diamonds. Nick liked my ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಜೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಮಾಪರ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದ ನಿಕ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೋಂಬ ತಂದಿದ್ದ ವೈ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬ್ರಾಟ್ ಕೋಂಬ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕೋಂಬೆಲೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು ಒಂಥರ ಡೈಮಂಡ್ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು ನಾವು ಅಮ್ಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಶಿ ಮೇ ಫೀಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಅವನು ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಓಕೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ದಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 24 On the evening before Mother's Day, Nick said to me, we will give our gifts at the certain moment. What a moment, I asked. I can't tell, said Nick, because it has something to do with my gift. And don't ask me again about it. It's a secret. Okay. The next morning, Nick kept close to me, and when Mother got ready to wash the floor, he winked at me, and we ran to get our gifts. When I came back, Mother was really scrubbing the floor. She was, as usual, on her knees with a pail of water and scrubbing brush. She was mopping up the dirty water with the old rags. It was a job she hated the most. ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇಬ್ರು ಡ್ರಿಂಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೊನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರೋಣ ಬಾ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ತಂದಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹೈರಾಣಾಗಿ ಮನೆ ಒರೆಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆ ಹೈರಾನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಮಾಪರ್ ತಂದು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಓಕೆ Then Nick returned with his present. When Mother looked at it, she sat back on her heels. Her face went pale with a disappointment as she looked at the new scrub pail with the bringer and the fresh mop in it. A scrub pail, she said angrily. A Mother's Day gift was a scrub pail. Okay. Scrub pail means a bucket with the water in it. Okay. Her voice almost, page number 25 children. Her voice almost broke. Tears came into Nick's eyes. Without a word, he picked up the scrub pail and the mop. Then he ran down the stairs. I put the comb in my pocket and ran after him. Nick was crying. I felt so bad, and I too began to cry on the way. On the way down, we met father. Nick could not talk, so I explained. I will return it to the shopkeeper, said Nick, sobbing. Father took a pail and said firmly, no, it's a fine gift, a wonderful gift. I should have thought it myself. We all went upstairs again. Nick climbed very slowly. Inside the kitchen, Mother was still scrubbing, slowly and sadly. Without a word, Father soaked a puddle of dirty water with a mop. Then, using the bringer on the bucket, he neatly squeezed it. Okay, next. You did not let Nick explain himself, he said to Mother with a smile. Part of his gift was he himself was going to wash the floor. From now on, he looked at Nick and said, Isn't that so, Nick? With a flush of shame, Nick understood the lesson. Yes, oh yes, he said in a low tone. Mother was full of regret. She looked at Nick with a love and said, It is too heavy work for the 14 years old boy. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅವ್ರ ಅಮ್ಮ ಫುಲ್ ಹೈರಾಣಾಗಿ ಒರೆಸ್ತಿರ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ನಿಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿನಗಾಗಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ ನೀನು ಇಷ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀ 14 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗನಿಗೆ ಇದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ವಿಚಾರ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ she too felt a very happy children. Okay. Only now did I realize how smart father was. Ha! He said cleverly, not with this wonderful scrub pail and the ringer. It's much easier. Your hands stay clean and your knees don't hurt. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡದಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಿಂದ ಮೊಣಕಾಲು ನೋವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಮದರ್ ಲುಕ್ಡ್ ಲವಿಂಗ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ನಿಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ said, ಹಾ ಹೌ ಸ್ಟುಪಿಡ್ a woman can become. She kissed Nick and she felt better. Then they turned to me. See, ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಅವ್ರ ನಿಕ್ಕನಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ಓಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಆಸ್ ಟು ಜೋ. ಜೋಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನಿನ್ನ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಏನು. Nick looked at me and turned pale. He knew that my gift was a comb with a shining stars that looked like a diamond. It was make scrub pail. Again just a scrub pail. Yes, Joe, what is your gift? Mother asked eagerly. Half the scrub pail, I said sadly. Nick looked at me with a love in eyes. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬಂದು ಒಂಚೂರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಡಿಮೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಇಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಒಬ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೊಬ್ರು ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನು ಸಮ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕೇರಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅದರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನಫ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಖುಷಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಸಮ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿ ಸಮ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕು. ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಯೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಏನು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಈ ಲೆಸನಿನ ಥಿಯರಿ. ಓಕೆ. ನೌ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ 3 lessons ಇನ್ ದ CW. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ CW ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. PDF ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ. ರೈಟ್ ನಾ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವರ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ CW. ಇದನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, CW ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. Okay. First one bonds of love, second one Kabuliwala, third one half gift, third one Christmas gift. Now half a gift. Okay, half a gift. Lesson number 4. ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಲಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ CW ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4, half a gift. After headline put a finishing line. Leave one line first में meanings. Okay. Meanings. In that first one, excitement. Okay. EXCITEMENT. Excitement means strong emotion. Strong emotion. Okay. Excitement means what, children? Strong emotion. Okay. Sorry children, due to low battery I have stopped that video. Now I am going to start. Okay. These meanings I have given you, no children. Remaining I am going to continue in the next class. Now I am going to wind up the class now. Okay. What homework you have to do at home? ये homework ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು. See children. That question paper you have taken na first unit test question paper. Okay. Solve first unit test question paper in a HW where EHW. Why? Because to make it recapitulate. Okay. A homework. Solve first unit test question paper in EHW. Okay. First unit test question paper ಯಾವುದು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು EHW ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವಿತ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು EHW ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ I think everybody have understood this lesson children. Yet I have not started the exercise. Okay, this first meaning I am going to give you as a PDF. Okay, then meet you in the next class children. Try to work hard at the home. If you have any doubts, call to school number. Okay, thank you children for watching my video. Meet you in the next class.